Okay, I'm draining and flushing out this water heater, electric water heater that is. That has 1, 2, 3 elements powered by a 3-phase electrical system and controlled by this shut-off switch. Right now it's currently in the off position because you never want to have that on when draining electric water heater. Otherwise the elements in there will get destroyed. You gotta shut that off first. Drain and flush, and once you fill up the tank again and it's completely full, then the switch can be turned back on.